As you complete your school, one question always comes in front of you. Should I take a strong undergraduate program or should I pursue my CA? Alliance School of Management and Technology offers you a BCom CA integrated program. These two areas are blended in this particular program, which focuses on commerce, finance, economics, law, as well as management, combined with technology, artificial intelligence, and the real world problems. We also have CA readiness audit courses to track your progress semester by semester, and you will get to have exposure towards finance, analytics, fintech, entrepreneurship, as well as digital banking without losing focus on CA. The outcome is very simple: confidence and momentum. Confidence to take up today's professional demands, momentum to step into the technology world of finance and commerce.